this morning there. But today we are doing is getting rid of all my spices. Just kidding. So today, you know what? We got up today and we were like, let's do something different. Let's go shopping. And by that, we are buying little containers for my spices. I know everything is different shapes and different sizes, and actually there's nothing wrong with being different shapes and different sizes. But with, I guess, Joel's OCD, we're gonna go and get every spice jars, everything the same, alike. And then we are getting a cabinet for my kitchen. So what I wanted to do is do a vlogging video. We are putting it right here. And what we are doing is, again, with the spices. So I do believe I'm gonna want something that's tall, but not too tall because I'm pretty short myself. So we are doing the spices. We are doing maybe the get maybe an oil dispenser as well, so that we can just, you know, it'd be easier and make it look like a little showroom, I guess. So this is all my spices and that I've accumulated over the years, but I have a feeling there's more to come. And my kitchen is way too small for that, so stay tuned. We're gonna go shopping. Hey, so we're at Ikea. We found the cabinet that we're looking for. We got one door, and then Joel's gonna be picking up the second door. Let's do this.
We just need the cabinet.
We just need the cabinet. That's right, the cabinet. We are ready. Perfect. Hey, so we're in the car and we have everything ready. We're going home now. Let's get this done.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun land. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a it first, but here I am. 'Cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Just putting in the little holder, and then we have to put it against the wall or screw it against the wall, and this is pretty much what the final look is. But with this we are going to maybe rearrange the shelvings and then put all the spices, and I think the dishwasher is finished. Let's check it out. So we did get, ooh, that's hot. All right. Do you have the, oh my God, I can't hold it. There you go. So we found jars like this with the lid. We found these at the dollar store actually. I think it was about $1.25. And these look amazing, and they are the right size as well that we wanted. So we will show you here how it looks like with all the spices and on the bookshelf, or I should say bookshelf, in the cabinet. All clean. Just getting started. I have my funnel here, and now I'll be putting all my spices in here. Let's do this. Hey, so we are done. Let's open it up. So I have all my spices here. We have the apple cider vinegar, I guess, the soy sauce. They look pretty badass, I think, with the gun, of course. And yeah, everything looks amazing. So again, I got these spice jars from the dollar store. It was $1.25 for these ones. These little sticky things too were only $1.25. So the boyfriend had an idea, Joel, to put pepper in the Coca-Cola one and salt in the Canada Dry one. So it looks amazing, amazing. This is it. So I'll be cooking and I'll be getting my spices from here, and then we'll go to the kitchen. But this is it for today. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.